Hey guys, Chris from Fast Eddy Co here to talk to you about the new number 21 wrist pin bushing remover and installer. This tool makes it effortless to press the old bushing out of a connecting rod and press in a new bushing. It has a two-way pilot. The pilot, you run it one direction to press the old bushing out, flip it around, run it the other direction to press the new bushing in flush with the edge of the rod. This fits any 36 to 99 Big Twin, all Sportster, and all flathead 45s, or any other motor with close to the same 0.791 inch diameter wrist pin, which is effectively the ID of the bearing. The body is heat treated 4140, built to last, guaranteed for life. If you ever have a problem with this tool or any of our other tools, please don't hesitate to reach out to me and I'll make sure that you're satisfied. It's the least that we can do. Typically this rod would be in a bottom end that's assembled if you're just doing a top end, or maybe taken apart, but 7 times out of 10 or so it seems like it's the bottom end that's together when you're doing this. So just be careful, and we recommend that you do it with wrenches. You can use an impact tool too. Just make sure you oil the threads first and make sure everything's aligned before you zing on it, and then you can zip out the old bushing and zip in the new one in a matter of seconds, and I'll show you how it works. And that's that. It's out. And then all I do is flip the pilot around, run the bushing the other way. You know, make sure that you line up your oil groove on the top of the bushing. And there you go, it's done. Now you just ream it to size and go motoring down the road. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.